Hello. Friendly reminder. All right, now that we've got that, let's move on. Tonight we've got something of a tricky one to look at here. We're going to be doing parallel lines. And to start, we're going to need to choose a few points. So let's make one guy right there. Let's call this X. Okay, we make a point X on the line that we're going to be making a parallel line to. And then we can choose another one. We want to probably go a fair distance down here. And we'll choose another point. We'll call this point A. Okay. Now we're going to make another line. This is not the parallel line, okay, but we need to construct this in order to make the next line, which will be parallel. So when you are making your construction, don't erase this line either. Again, knowing that this is there will help us see if we're doing it correctly. So take your compass and set it to not too small of a length right there. We're going to put the point onto X, and we're going to make an arc that will go through the line and the new line that we just drew. Alright? Keeping the compass the same length, we're going to make the same arc going in the same direction from our new point, which we named in this case A. Okay, same arc, length as above, like so. Now let's give these guys some names. We can name this one Y, and this one Z. I drew that the wrong way. It's tough drawing upside down. There we go, that looks better. And we'll do a little dash in there to make sure that's known as a Z, or a Z if you are in the British English speaking world. So we've got 3 points up here. We're going to take our point, put it on one of these intersections, we'll put it on the Z. And we're going to stretch out the other part of the compass until it hits right at the other intersection point between the arc and the first line we had. Okay? So that's how we set the measure for that. We're going to come down here to where we intersected the arc and the second line that we drew. We're going to go ahead and make another arc from here, like so. Okay, so we can call this guy, let's call this one C. We've got a new point here where we intersected at. We can call that one B. Now we're going to draw a line between A and B, and this will be our parallel line. Okay. This has to do with a property that we're going to be looking at in a short bit, but because these angles are, this angle and this angle are congruent, we're going to have parallel lines right here. Alright, so we have just constructed probably one of the most parallel lines you will ever draw in your entire life. Practice a bit of that on your own. This is a little bit of a trickier one, so if you have any questions, please bring them in tomorrow. Please go back and rewind this video. Listen to me again, because I know that you know, that's your number one thing that you would like to do this weekend. But look over this, get it down, and then on Monday we will get to it. So have a great weekend. Take care. See you Monday.